my lovelies, welcome to today's class. And in today's class, we're going to be molding. So, this wooden substance I'm holding is called a molder. It comes in any shape or any size. All the processes are all the same. So, this black one now is a mat, and then you have your lining. I suggest whatever color of ashoke or material you're working with, work with the same color of lining too. Now, first things first is to bring out the mat, spread it out, put your molder, and then get the right amount of mats that can be able to cover your molder. Now, moving on, the next step is that you're also going to cut out the same shape and size of your lining together with that of your mat. So now placing your mat first and then your lining on top. Then the next thing you're going to do is to put your molder in a nylon bag. Any kind of waterproof will do, at least the light kind of waterproof or nylon bag. You're going to be putting it in there and then you cover it as tight as possible, remove every air bubble. Next, you're going to use the groundnut oil, Vaseline, any form of oil at all. Rub it around that nylon that you have used to cover your molder. The essence of rubbing this is so that it will be easier for you to bring out your molder after it must have dried. Now, remember you put your mat first, your lining second, and then on top you put the molder. These are bobby pins. These are pins that you can use to pin down your material. Now, what we're going to be doing is to form like our north and south pole. Once you pin the north and then the south pole, the next thing you're going to do is to pin the west and east pole. And you're going to realize that there are other places that are empty. So all you're going to do is to fold down your material in such a way that you'll be able to pin it down. The aim of pinning this material on the molder is so that your mat and your lining, as you have assembled them, they will take the shape of that molder that you have. Now remember, this is a general method of molding any kind of fascinator you want to take any shape, irrespective of the shape of your molder. Once you do this method, you will get your shape, your desired shape. All you need to do is, if you want the shape to be like a circular form, go and buy a molder that is circular form. If you want a square like one, go and buy a molder that is square like. Any shape of molder or heart shape you want, just go to the market and get the exact shape you want and repeat this process we are making. It is general, even if it is ashoke or molding, even if it is sinami or molding, it's all the same process. Just watch and you will understand. So now at this point, this is the desired shape you want. This is what you're looking for. And the next step is for us to stiffen it up. So this is a stiffener. This is how mine came. It can come in any kind of Ragolis container, any container at all. So all you need to do is pour a little amount of it and then pour in water. So you pour in your water and then you mix it together. You know how you mix your akamo, your custard, that consistency, that runny consistency, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now you're going to use your brush to apply this mixed stiffener to your molded base. So you gradually mix it up, mix it, make sure you get every corner of the molded area. Then turn it around also. Get all those little edges, all those little corners. Because any place you're putting your stiffener is going to harden. If you miss any spot, it's not going to look hardened. It's going to look like your normal material. So try your best to get every angle, turn it all around again, repeat the process, make sure that it touches every angle. Now you're going to leave it under the sun to dry for about 3 to 4 hours, and after that, it's going to come out very hard like this. And this is how you mold your fascinator base. You can go ahead and remove your pins. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share my videos, and this is it, just basically. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.